Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Changing the Java_home environment variable in Linux is a common task for developers who need to switch between different versions of Java. This tutorial will guide you through the process of checking your current Java version, installing a new Java version if necessary, and setting or changing the Java_home variable. Step 1, check current Java version. Before changing the Java_home, it's a good idea to check which version of Java you currently have installed. Open your terminal and run. This command will display the currently installed version of Java. If you need to install a different version, proceed to the next step. Step 2, install a new version of Java, if necessary. If you don't have the desired version of Java installed, you can install it. For example, to install openjdk 11, you can use the following command. For Ubuntu/Debian-based systems. For CentOS/RHEL-based systems. Step 3, find the Java installation path. Once you have the desired version of Java installed, you need to find its installation path. You can do this by using the Update Alternatives command. This command will show you a list of installed Java versions along with their paths. The path will typically look something like /usr/lib/jvm/java 11 openjdk amd 64. Step 4, set Java_home. Now that you have the installation path, you can set the Java_home environment variable. There are a few ways to do this, either temporarily for the current session or permanently. Temporary change. If you want to set Java_home only for the current terminal session, you can run. To verify, run. Permanent change. To set Java_home permanently, you will need to add the export command to your shell's configuration file. 1 for bash users. Open /.bashrock or /.bash_profile in a text editor. Add the following lines at the end of the file. 2 for ZSH users. Open /.zshrc in a text editor. Add the same lines as above. 3 for other shells, the configuration file may differ. Make sure to find the appropriate one for your shell. 4 after adding the lines, save the file and exit the editor. For nano, press Ctrl+X, then Y, and then enter. 5 to apply the changes, run. Or for ZSH. Step 5, verify the change. To confirm that Java_home has been set correctly, run. You should see the path that you have assigned to Java_home. Conclusion. You have successfully changed the Java_home environment variable in your Linux system. This allows you to switch between different Java versions easily and ensures that applications that depend on Java will use the correct version. If you need to switch Java versions in the future, simply repeat these steps with the new Java installation path.